Hey guys, if you are looking for a small, lightweight travel trailer and you're wanting something with bunks, this might be the perfect unit for you. It's super light, it's only 17.3 foot, and the dry weight on it is 2,900. So if you're looking for something like that and at a great price, this might be the trailer for you. So let's take a look from the outside in and go from there. This is the Forest River SALEM FSX. It is a 2025. The model is 174BHLE. So this unit does not have a slide, but it is, I absolutely love it. It's perfect for, on the go, wanting something light, wanting to get out there with the kiddos and just camp. This is a great trailer. It's got the backup camera prep. It does have a cable right here. You can plug in your cable right there. And then it does have a nice little awning on this side as well. I absolutely love this. Now, let's take a look inside. So right away, you've got your master bed right here. I think it's a full size. It might be a queen, but it is right here, but you can actually put a privacy curtain around here if you wanted to, but it's nice and big, and you can walk on this side and you can walk on that side as well. You do have some area up here to store whatever that might be. You got a little side table, and you do have some area right here to hang up some clothes. So we've got our couch right here, super comfy. It also comes with a table. Now this table, the great thing about this table is that you can actually move it. You can put it underneath here, underneath the bed. You can put it in the storage. You can take it outside and use it as a picnic table outside underneath your awning. I absolutely love that you have the option to move it out of the way versus a dinette that cannot be moved. So it does, once it's moved, in fact, voila. So once it's moved, you have this area to do whatever you'd like. Now, I put it here, but it can be stored underneath there. It can be stored underneath in the storage area, so it will be out of the way. Right above that, you do have some storage cabinets that go all the way out, all the way down, and it is quite big, quite deep. So it's very nice. On the other side, you have a 2-burner, and you've got some drawers right here as well. You even have a fireplace. You got a nice sink right here that's perfect. And then you do have counter space to do your thing. Above that, you do have some more storage. Nice and deep as well. Then you have your refrigerator, which I think is a perfect size, because when you look in, again, plenty of storage right here, plenty of area. I mean, you can put all your goods in there, nice and big. And then above this, you are able to, maybe you've got coffee, maybe you've got some extra stuff that you want to plug in, a nice little area to do just that. On this side, you do have your 2 bunks. I love that it's over here in the corner. It's in a nice area. It's not too big, not too small. It doesn't take up all the room, but you do have the option for a couple of kids in here, even adults. I know that I've already tried it. I know that I can fit on here. So perfect space for, whoever you might bring on here. Got a little window as well. Plus you've got plugins on the side as well. Right in the back, we have our shower. Now, I think that this is a great size, your little walk-in shower. Great size, like the natural light as well, and plenty of room to do your thing. So, what do you guys think of this unit? I'd really like to know, because I think it is, again, if you're ready to go, you're wanting something like 2,900 dry weight is very, very low, perfect for you and the kiddos to just jump right in and get out there and go camping and do the things that you love without having to haul anything really big. You're just going out there, you're just going to sleep in here, you're going to cook in here, I mean, if it's raining, you can sit down and watch some entertainment, which you do have options to do that. So this is a great unit if that is what you are looking for. So call, text, email. Let me know what you guys think. I would love to hear it. Now, if you want information, of course, my information is going to be in the description below. So, you know, come up here and see me, Funtown RV in Waco. Ask for Rachel, and I'd love to help you out. All right.